Meet Rakesh, a seasoned jewelry retailer based in Delhi. Used to brim with a sparkling inventory. Rakesh had a thriving business. His USP was that he gave customers a large variety to choose from, so they wouldn't need to go anywhere else. Although sales were growing, Rakesh was not making profits. He was in debt and found it difficult to run the business. He spoke to his friends about his dilemma. They advised him to learn about STAR, a comprehensive business process management platform. Rakesh met us, and we suggested a complete diagnosis of his business processes using the STAR platform. He agreed. Our platform's diagnosis revealed a startling fact. With the amount of inventory Rakesh was carrying, his turnover should have been 3 to 4 times higher than the current level. This indicated that Rakesh was carrying more inventory than he was liquidating, a term known as the inventory rotation ratio. When we shared our findings, Rakesh initially disagreed, strongly believing that his sales were high because he carried a wide variety of products. With the help of the STAR analysis, we gradually convinced Rakesh to reduce his inventory by just 10% to see if there would be any impact on sales. The sales didn't dip. We then reduced inventory by 25%, and the sales still didn't decrease. Over the next 12 months, we guided Rakesh to cut his inventory from 100 crores to 50 crores. Throughout, the sales remained steady. We demonstrated through STAR data analysis that the stock reduction was primarily slow-moving or dead stock. This inventory reduction of 50% alleviated Rakesh's financial woes. He was able to pay off all debts and generate healthy profits. From struggling to keep his business afloat, Rakesh has now expanded to 3 more outlets in Delhi. His new USP is less is more.